When we talk about celebrity fitness, the very first name that comes to our mind is Shilpa Shetty Kundra. Yes, Shilpa Shetty is the epitome of fitness. She makes sure to inspire all her fans and followers towards fitness. She regularly keeps on posting her yoga routines, her workout routines to motivate her fans. But it's not all easy. There's a lot that goes into maintaining that fit physique and that body. Strict lifestyle, disciplined routine. So if you're someone who's wondering how to get a body like Shilpa Shetty, then this video is for you.
To look at Shilpa Shetty and not talk about fitness is just not possible. Getting a body like her is not easy. It involves loads of discipline and strict training. Consistency is the key. Shilpa's secret weapon is yoga. She once revealed how she turns to yoga to stay positive and balanced in her life. Yoga can help reduce your stress and anxiety levels and help one stay calm. She practices it almost every day, and not just that, she even tries to mix it up a little with cardio and dance moves. The main reason behind a fit physique is her consistency. She never fails to work out, be it a missed shoot or any other work or vacation, or even if she's traveling. She makes sure to not use it as an excuse and work out by making the most of the things available at hand. Be it a moving bus or a vanity van, she makes sure to never miss out on her routines. In terms of diet, Shilpa leads a very healthy lifestyle and opts for simple homemade food with loads of nutrients. She loves organic food and has always motivated her fans and followers to go organic. She plants many of her veggies and fruits herself. Having said that, she also makes the most of her cheat days and Sunday binge. But on other days, she religiously follows a healthy diet. Shilpa works really hard, be it taking care of her diet or her workout. Leading a healthy lifestyle is the choice that you need to work on and make it regular. You'll surely notice a difference. On the work front, Shilpa will soon be seen in the upcoming movie Nikamma along with Abhimanyu and Shirley Setia. And she looks her fittest self in the trailer as well.
Well, I hope this helps and inspires you enough and you work towards your fitness routine in no time. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to stay fit and stay healthy.